gave me the idea to wear my skirt as a top. The idea to wear my another top over it. Oh my god, how good it looks. Thank you God. More of this creativity, more of this inspiration, more of your creative magic.
God also gave me the idea to wear this dress
As a skirt. I am making this video for two reasons. I grew up in a family where I saw deeply unhappy women. I cannot explain to you the reality of the people who are growing up in homes where they are living around living people, but they are dead inside. Their creativity is dead. They are living in shame. It's incredibly painful. By the grace of the God and the great creator and my ancestors, I have been able to heal. I have been able to sing, dance, dress up and express myself. So I am making this video to ask you to pray. Pray for my protection because it feels very scary to express yourself. So just pray so that I never ever have to shut myself, so that nothing can, no voices, no noises can ever reach me or convince me to abandon myself anymore. I just really love creativity. And I want to express myself without feeling afraid. And I want all the women of this world to be able to wear what they want. If you are sending a prayer, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you would convince sun to become like a moon, this world will become a disaster. If you convince, start to turn this papaya into watermelon, you would be depriving this world of the sweetness and the unique magic that the papaya brings. Is a real hell for any human when they have to shut their unique expression down because of shame or because of anything else. To leave your self-expression, it's a fucking hell. See this papaya over here? It has so much goodness in it, but if you do not eat it in time, the same goodness will turn into poison. Just like that, when a human being is not able to express itself, their own expression, it rots inside and turn into destruction. That's why they create, the things that will destruct their life and the world. So I warmly welcome you inside my new course, Step into Your Creative Magic. To unlock your creative gifts, to become so solid and confident, to use your creative for the highest and the best only. Link is in my bio, and remember, creativity is the